Come on, sweetness. Oh, yeah, gotta be careful.
Step.
Yeah. Whoop!
Small step. You're welcome.
Yeah. Oh, I'm sorry. What?
And the jars are full-size mason jars, like, and then they all around the outside with ice, with marshmallow cream.
She was going straight
She
out
was
of
going-
Oh my good gravy. There you go.
If somebody said, hey, we're going to open up a milkshake place and it's going to be banging, I wouldn't think this many people would be banging. Yeah. She found her niche.
We gotta eat, buddy. We're not gonna stay here forever.
This is
And we're leaving.
a cookie sandwich, but instead of ice cream, it's cookie dough.
That is too much of a good thing.
What?
But I thought I was going to get like cinnamon toast crunch flakes. But I didn't. I got these little balls. That makes it just easy. So stuff like that, yeah, it's pretty good.
Wow.
It's cute.